Way of life can be free and beautiful. Free and beautiful. Way of life can be free and beautiful. Free and beautiful. Free and beautiful. Our knowledge has made us cynical. Our cleverness hard and unkind. Give too little. Give too little. Kindness, gentleness. Gentleness, gentleness. Even now, my voice is reaching millions throughout the world. Millions of despairing men, women, and children, victims of a system that makes men torture and imprison innocent people. To those who can hear me, I say, do not despair. The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of greed, the bitterness of men. Fear the way of human progress. Fear the way of human progress. Fear the way of human progress. Fear the way of